If you want to install iOS launcher on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we're gonna open the Play Store. Let's go to search, and of course we need to download the launcher. So we're gonna write the iOS launcher. And of course we can find multiple different apps that can imitate the look of the iOS launcher. So in my case, I'm gonna use, let's say, this app over here. Let's install it, and then I'm gonna show you how to set it up. However, if you don't like this specific launcher for some reason, then feel free to try anything else. So let's open it, and let's quickly set it up. So here we can grant the access to not to location if you want to. However, I'm not gonna allow that. We can also grant the access to contacts, to photos and videos, and there we go. Now, besides that, you should be able to find some additional settings here and there that you can use in order to customize the launcher a little bit. And after that, once we set everything up, let's actually consent here, we should be able to make the launcher as the default one. So we're gonna press OK over here, we're gonna switch to Launcher OS, and there we go. As you can see, we have the new look on our home screen. We have our iOS launcher. We should be able to also access the app library. So in this case, we had some sort of message. So we need to go to iOS launcher settings, app library to config. So let's go to the app library over here. Of course, we have an ad in the meantime. And over here, we can set up our app library in order to set the categories for apps, it seems so, yeah. All right, so I think we should be able to get the access to the app library. Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, we can access it pretty easily. We can go to the list over here, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.